Tags are a workspace-level feature that you can use to label test cases, defects, as well as test runs in your project. From the Tags section, you can look at the author of the tag, the total number of test cases, defects, and test runs associated with a tag. You can search, filter, or delete a tag from here. You can delete a single tag or delete several tags at once. Let's quickly look at all the places you can create or modify tags. First, we have the Tags section right here, where you can create a new tag or look at all the existing tags. Second, you can add tags to a test case during its creation or while updating it. Similarly, for test runs, tags can be added both during their creation and while updating. Lastly, you have the Defects section. You also have the option to add a tag when you create a defect manually. Remember, tags once created can be used across all projects and entities in your workspace. Tags are helpful while filtering test cases in the repository. Or when selecting test cases for a test run. You can manage tags for multiple test cases simultaneously. With Bulk Edit, you can add new tags to multiple test cases at once. You can also remove selected tags from multiple test cases. If you need to replace existing tags with new ones, you can do so by first removing the old tags and then adding the new ones. To make this process easier, your selection of test cases is preserved even after the update. Finally, you can also use tags when working with queries. You can save this query and use it when starting a new test run. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.